Hi, and welcome back to Lemma Dental Clinic. Today we're going to be talking about dental stone, also known as tartar, and how we professionally clean it. Dental stone is hardened plaque that builds up on your teeth over time, especially around the gum line. It forms when plaque isn't removed properly through brushing and flossing. Once it hardens, you can't remove it at home. It needs professional cleaning. At Lemma, we use a procedure called scaling and polishing. First, we gently remove the tartar using ultrasonic tools and hand scalers. You might hear some buzzing or feel vibration, but it's painless and quick. Once all the tartar is removed, we polish your teeth using a special paste. This helps smooth the surface and remove any remaining tartar stains, leaving your teeth shiny and fresh. Cleaning dental stone isn't just about a brighter smile. If it's left untreated, tartar can lead to gum disease, bad breath, and even tooth loss. That's why regular cleanings, usually every 6 months, are recommended and essential to both your oral health and overall health. Dental stone cleaning is safe, fast, and incredibly effective. Don't wait for problems to show up. Prevent them with routine checkups. Let's keep your smile healthy, clean, and confident.